Hi, this is Tom. Welcome to my channel. I usually do short videos. This one will be a little longer, but I'm going to try to keep it from being too long. I actually want to show how I go about building a catalog. It's very simple, but it's a technique I've really liked a lot. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to click on a, uh, a prompt that I like, and so this is in the Midjourney page, and I just grab the prompt and I'm going to go to this can be this is my blog, but I mean you could use any white space, notepad, anything to grab it. So click on okay, I'll X out of this. So I just go to explore and I'm going to click on random. And when I click on random, it pulls up different images, and you can just find something that you like. Click on the image, click on prompt, and it comes up. So this one looks like it was taken with a picture, so I'll skip that one. I'm looking for ones that are just text. Uh, okay, so this is a cute one, and I think I'll just do 5 of these. I usually do more. I probably do about 20, but I don't want to take that long. Just to show this, 5 will work fine. All right, so I'm just grabbing some prompts that I like, and we'll do 3 more. Okay, once again, this is the midjourney.com page. I'll just click on random. Boy, I guess pandas are popular. There's another one here, another one here. Uh, let's see, let's try this one. Okay, prompt. Okay, grab up here. Okay, we'll do 2 more. And, all right, like that. Let's see back here, 2 more. Random. That's kind of interesting. I wonder what that is. Oh, Olympus Monster. Oh, I see what that was. Okay. I think I'll skip that one. Um, so we'll do it this. This is okay. So prompt. So you get a nice collection when you do this. You see some of these are longer prompts, and some of them are quite short. And an advantage of doing it this way is you're for sure going to get things that you like. And so the idea is that I'm just grabbing sample prompts here, and I will instruct ChatGPT to use these prompts as example prompts, right? So now that's enough. I got 5. So I'm going to go to the Discord and let's see what the daily theme is. So last night it was blue screen. Looks like it's still blue screen. Looks like that hasn't changed. Yes, it's still blue screen. Okay. So, okay, so here is my collection of prompts, and I will go to ChatGPT, and I'll just say, I call this a catalog. So I'll say, here's a new catalog to use, and I've already given it instructions on how to do this. And the instructions are very simple. It's just, it takes a look at the prompts and it'll use these to create examples from. This is something that ChatGPT is very good at. It's actually been good at this, even from the chat GPT 3 days. It's pretty long time ago. It's pretty good at, if you give it examples of being able um, to use those to extrapolate from. So here's the new catalog to use, and it's describing them. So that's something I had to do. I asked it give the descriptions for the prompts, and then it's redoing previous prompt that I'd given it, but it's working. This is fine. I wanted 3. I typically ask for 3 because that's the most that I can get without it like queuing up and telling me I have to wait. So go ahead and try these out. So it's just, now because the daily theme was blue screen yesterday, and I was doing this yesterday, I don't have to redo that. Unfortunately, I'm getting hit by a Discord. Discord is hicking up here. So let's see if this will work. Might not be able to do this. Okay, good. We got back here. All right. So, all right, here we go. So we'll do our 3 prompts, see how this turns out. So here's one, and we'll do 2 more. Here's 2. Okay. And so when I use the Discord, if I try to do more than 2, more than 3, then it'll tell me I have to wait. So that's why I do 3. Okay. And I haven't gotten around to using the new website to generate. I've just been used to using the Discord. So if anybody is using that and likes it, you can let me know. I'm just used to doing it this way. And we'll see how these turn out. So I did 3 of these. So we've got the requisite panda one. And tree, let's see what these look like. So here's the panda one. Cute panda. All right. Pretty nice. Choose that one. And let's see 2 more. This one's still working. Looks like it finished this one. See how this turned out. Kind of interesting. And 1 more to do, which is this one. So this is a DreamWorks cartoon style. That doesn't really look like DreamWorks cartoon too much. I guess maybe this one a little bit, but they're pretty nice images. Pretty amazing, really. I'm going to go with this one. All right. So I've upscaled 3 of these, and I can go to the website, and I will go to my archive. I think that's what it's called. It's let's see. To my, I said create. Okay, here we are. Okay, they keep changing these, so also I like the dark mode. There we go. So here are the 3 that I just did. Okay, and then this is showing them in batch mode. So these are the ones that I just did. Okay, so this is using a catalog approach. So very, very simple. I just grabbed some prompts that I like and ask ChatGPT to extrapolate that from them and make them fit the new theme. And then we can use that to generate